Did you know that this electric SUV can keep things hot or cold? The AION V takes comfort to another level with features designed around everyday convenience. One feature that really stands out is the built-in fridge compartment, allowing you to keep drinks chilled or items warm while you're on the go. Combine that with a spacious SUV interior, panoramic moonroof, advanced technology displays, and premium comfort features. The AION V is designed to make every journey more enjoyable. Come over to GAC Dandenong and explore the AION V for yourself.